Happy New Day. Happy New Day, boys and girls and adults. Here we are. I'm Sophia. I'm in charge of your heart. I'm Sonia. I'm in charge of your brain. I know. Surprise, surprise, they're back. I really needed them. Because you need the perspective of your heart. You have to be connected to your heart. But you also need your brain. Yes. And I'm not sure, like, Happy New Day is really happy. Are you sure? Yes and no. And I agree, it's very difficult. Yes, look at statistics. You will know it is very, very, it's difficult. It's worse. And when you look at statistics and numbers, you realize you cannot wish it away. You cannot. I really wanted to. I wanted to just like close my eyes and open them and say, it's all gone. You cannot. I'm sorry. What can I do? You could wear a mask and stay home and then still find time to go outside and be outside, and maybe it's in your own backyard, maybe it's in a little garden and you're wearing a mask or on a balcony, but you have to just figure out a way to be happy, even when you cannot be happy. Well, not all the time, but you could bring joy into your life. You could see what are your blessings. What are your blessings? I mean, you have a job, that's a blessing. It truly is. And if you don't, you have time to reflect. Huh. And I did it last summer. Good. It's really good to reflect and figure things out. So enjoy this time, don't worry. Just enjoy and reflect and read. And watch movies. That's a good idea, if you do not have too much work. Even if you do, you work and then you find balance. Yeah, you find balance. Okay, but so garden, how do you garden? You just plant seeds and you could plant milkweed. Plant milkweed because there's shortage of milkweed this year. And yet there's still butterflies. Really? That's what I wanted to tell you. You find joy. For me, it's butterflies. And why are all the mesh? Because they're parasites and they're Tahini's flies that lay eggs inside the caterpillar. Wow. It's really sad, but it is what it is. But if you put butterflies inside those beautiful condominiums for butterflies, then it'll work. I mean, you put caterpillars, but then you'll get chrysalises. See, we have little chrysalises here. I hope you could see. See, there are two right here, and there's some inside. But we'll also have a fourth butterfly today, and that's what I want to show you. I hope she's not going to be scared because our puppets. I mean, butterflies are usually not used to puppets. Yeah, that's... But, I mean, they're soft. She's very soft. Yeah. So let's try what's going to happen. See the butterfly. I know this is quite ridiculous, but would you please play with us? No, she doesn't like this. Oh, she kind of does. Okay. She's on Sonia's hand. Ha! I got the butterfly because I know the signs of butterflies. Oh my gosh, let me see. Oh, it's a girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so wonderful. I think she got born yesterday. So she dried her wings and she's maybe ready to fly. Okay, I'm holding you. You could fly. I'm not sure she might be ready. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. She is. Look how beautiful she is. you could find joy for sure in all of this.
I'm holding you. Are you gonna fly?
She might. You know, she is beautiful. And we did give her milkwood. And your yoga teacher helped us with milkwood. I know, I thought there's no milkwood. And then my yoga teacher had extra. Wow. Is she gonna fly?
I really don't know.
Did you call her? Did you give her a name? I actually called her Sonia.
Oh, that's why she sat on my hand. Look, 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 look. She's Sonia and I'm Sonia. Ha! Okay, are you gonna fly?
This is so beautiful. And she's good. She doesn't have any pieces of chrysalis attached to her. So that's very good. I wanna get up and like hold her higher so she could fly, but I'm filming. What should we do? Sophia, could you like hold the camera for us?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's do this. Oh dear Sonia. Are you ready to fly? No, there's spiders that way, so it's better to fly this way.
Yeah, I'm holding you, but I'm kind of getting tired. And we could practice like what?
We could practice breathing.
Okay, let's breathe. Like count to 4. 4. Okay, let's just pay attention to the butterfly. Good luck on your life. You know, since you're not flying yet.
Oh, she's flying, she's flying, she's flying.